I'm creating this series for the purpose of beginners, you get me? Because when I started trading Crash and Boom, it was really not as easy as I'm about to make it for you. So, this is what I would have loved to know when I started Crash and Boom. So, in this series, from now till when you finish this playlist, you are going to be able to start trading Crash and Boom with the information and the guidance here. So, first thing first is what is Crash and Boom? Yeah, Crash and Boom are markets like every other market out there. And Crash and Boom is a synthetic indices market created by Derive. It doesn't represent a real world economy. First thing is it's created like every other market out there, being it BTC, being it stocks, being it synthetic, being it crypto. All right. Every other market was created a certain day, a certain time into the market. No matter what you want to call it, the word you want to put behind it, remember it was created by a human being like myself and like you. So never forget that. And the difference between Crash and Boom is it doesn't represent a real world economy. What does this mean? Is whenever Donald Trump tweets or Donald Trump decides to bomb Ukraine, bomb Israel, bomb wherever he wants to bomb, this market isn't affected by those. It's also not affected by Elon Musk's tweet. Let's say Elon Musk tweets about a certain crash and boom, a certain synthetic indices market, it won't affect the buyers in the market. You get me? So, with that being done and said, it takes us to the next point, which is it is a mathematically generated market that moves 24/7 with predictable volatility pattern. Each market has predictable volatility pattern, but the difference between synthetic indices, crash and boom, and other market under synthetic indices is 24/7 round the clock. So, with this being done and said, always have in mind that before you started this series, before you are learning how to trade synthetic indices, trading the market has been here before you got awareness, before you started learning. And also, when you have a kid, when your kids have kids, all right, the market will still be here. So, one thing I want you to know is treat this journey as step by step process. You need to do what needs to be done. You need to learn what needs to be learned. All right, down to creating of your account, down to knowing the basics, down to calculating pips. The process is important. Process is what gives you the result. You can't want to jump the process and get to the result. I'm telling you this for free because no one told me. You need to focus on the process more than you focus on the result. Why? You already have the picture of the result. And if you repeat the pattern that is going to lead you to that result, trust me, the result is inevitable. So always have this in mind. Now, which broker can you access Derive? Can you access Crash and Boom from? Which broker can you access Crash and Boom from? And that takes us to Derive Limited. Let me take you back few years so you would know I didn't start trading Crash and Boom 3 months ago, 2 months ago. This market was once given to us by binary.com, which metamorphosed into Derive Limited. And the main reason I'm telling you this is because things evolve. Yeah, they rebranded or metamorphosed from binary.com to Derive Limited, which is now available to the public. Although they are now a liquidity provider, which give other brokers liquidity to access the market. The same way brokers connect us to the forex market, other markets now can get liquidity from Derive and connect us to crash and boom, volatility, whatsoever market Derive Limited produce. So, with that being known and done and said, the link to create your account, the video, the guidance is in the description. So, ensure that if you are just starting, make use of the link below, set up your Derive account, then proceed to learn PEEP calculation. All right. So, with that being done and said, moving on, points to know about this market. Crash and boom indices. We have Crash 500, Crash 1000. This was the basic market that were available when I started trading crash and boom. But now we have crash 300, boom 300, boom 900, crash 900, crash 50, crash 150. And as time goes on, life evolves. You get me? So many more to come. And just have that in behind of your, just have that back of your mind. Yeah. So price generally trend upward, but suddenly crashes down. This is in the case of crash indices. This crash happened at probabilistic intervals, which means the market trend upward gradually. We're going to go to the chart and see this. I will show you a pictorial illustration after this. And how do you profit from this market? Selling to catch the crash, the sudden drops, or buying to catch the slow upward recovery. So, just like every other market, like I said in the beginning, this market you can also profit when it's buying and also when it's selling. So always remember that you can do that in the forex market. So looking at my screen, remember what we said about crash 1000. Well, crash 1000, you can see that each minute has a 1 minute bullish candle that closes every minute. And you can also see the spikes that happen also at every minute interval. Sometimes the spikes are little, sometimes they are much, but you can see the sudden drop. So this is the crash market. And next up is boom indices. We have boom 500, boom 1000, boom 300, boom 600, boom 900, etc., etc. It goes on. More markets are being added, and price generally trends downward and suddenly booms upward. Now, the market trends downward gradually every minute with each bar, then it spikes or boom upward. So those are terminology when it comes to crash and boom. It either spikes, boom, or spike or crash. Remember, but spike you can use it for either, but when it's spiking down, it's crash, and when it's spiking up, it's boom. So have that in your vocabulary. You can write it down, but when we get to the chart, you're going to see the illustration. And lastly, how do you profit from this market? How do you profit from this market? You profit from this market by buying to catch the boom, which is the sudden spike, or selling to ride the slow movement downward. So either way, you profit from the market. So before we call it a day, we're going to jump into the chart. Let me show you illustration of spike and boom, and also how it moves gradually to either side. So you have that before we proceed. And before we proceed, I believe you already have your account set up. So if you don't have that, make use of the description or the videos here on the channel, set up your account, and let's jump right into the screen. While for the indices market, this is how it looks like. Each minute it's selling to the downside, then there's sudden spike to the upside. You can see this is how this market moves. This is how it is. Okay.